What do you learn from Life of Spider? It spend much time and energy to construct web by using affordable resources. Then prey trapped automatically on the web. Without spider use much force to capture it.
Now in real life of man.
When you need to reach certain success, might be economic, family, or other success. Any success comes to suitable environment. So use much time and energy to create environment which will attract those success and sustain it by using affordable resources. Instead of hustle to run for success while your environment is not suitable. Even if you get it might be under great cost of time and energy, and can perish shortly because environment itself can't sustain it. Such environment can be habit, friends, and knowledge. Our surroundings have much to teach us. Subscribe channel to get much knowledge updates.